Check out this design review for a 60-volt battery management system. And this design is so nice, we're gonna make it a 2-minute design review. Your schematics actually look really good, but one thing I noticed is that most of your I/O pins are unused. Consider swapping this out for a smaller microcontroller. Also, you should swap this out for a microcontroller that is automotive grade. You have some pretty inconsistent parameterization on these parts. Some of them come from the Altium content vault. I think you're doing the rest of your BOM in a BOM doc file, and unfortunately, you didn't give me the BOM doc file. We just have a couple vias connecting to the die-attached pad that's connected to ground. You should have more of these vias. Either put them directly in the pad or put them off to the side and connect them to the pad with a polygon. You have another component over here that has the die-attached ground pad, and it is connected to a ground net, but unfortunately you haven't placed any of the vias that you need to help with heat dissipation. There are some areas where you have really small clearances, and I'm wondering why these weren't showing live DRC errors. Then I took a look at your clearance rule, and you have every clearance value set to 0. This is exactly why all your via pads and through-hole pads are shorting directly to the planes on L2 and L3. Now, speaking of the planes in your stackup, it would be best to put ground on L2 and then put your power on L3. Pad size is only 2 mils larger than the hole size. Make sure to oversize the vias by at least 8 mils if you want to ensure Class 2 compliance. I see that some of your vias are really big, like 28 mil drill diameter. If there's no reason to use those larger drill diameters, you can set these to 10 mil or 12 mil drill diameter and then oversize the pad. Some of your components don't have a pin 1 indicator in the silkscreen. They also don't have polarity indicators, and you've left a lot of these vias untented. The untenting is fine, but make sure you add in those polarity indicators on your silkscreen link. I mean, unless you like getting sassy emails from your fabricator and assembler. Want to have your design reviewed on the channel? Find me on LinkedIn and send me your design files or your manufacturing files.